Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Students, today we are going to learn the remaining part of the chapter angles of 6th standard mathematics. Okay students, before moving forward I would like to say thanks to my subscribers and those who have shared, liked and commented below the video. Okay student, so in the last video we have studied some of the basic angles. For example, we have studied zero angles, then we have studied right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and at the last we have studied the complete angle or perigon angle. Okay student, so the last video is very important. If you haven't seen till now, watch it and then you can solve the practice set which is given below the lesson. Okay student, so without wasting time, let's get started. Students, today we are going to learn the figures which are given on the page number 8. Okay student, so here such kind of figures are given on the page number 8. Okay, so here we have to identify the types which are hidden in this figure. Okay student, see student, this figure, if you have ever been to a fair, in fairs we do see this. What do we call it as? We call giant wheel. In this giant wheel we see the rods are together making a point here as well as making some of the angles here. So we have to identify the angles here. Okay student, so let's start. See student, here we will start from here. Okay, so this is definitely a acute angle. Why it is acute angle? Because it is less than 90 degree. So it is acute angle. Okay student. Acute angle. Okay student. Now see this one. If we move forward again further, if we move further, then again we see this angle, but it is again less than 90, so it is acute angle. Okay student, now again we will move further. See this angle, it is definitely what? 90 degree angle. Okay, 90 degrees angle, and we know that it is a right angle. Okay, right angle student. Okay, again we will move further. See student, see this one. Okay, as well as this one. Okay, so both angles are less than 180 degrees and more than 90 degrees, and we know the angle which forms more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. Okay student, so this is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. Okay student, now see, if we move further again, so here this angle completes half turn. Okay, it completes half turn of angle, so it is straight angle. Okay, okay student, again if we move further, then see this angle as well as this angle. Okay, both are more than 180 degree and less than 360 degrees, so these are called what? Reflex angle. Reflex angle. Okay student, now see, last one we will see. So student, here what do we see? A complete turn of angle. That is, what does it mean? It completes a turn. Okay, so it is complete angle. Okay student, have you understood now? So such kind of angles we can see in the giant wheel. Okay students, very good. If you have understood, it is very good. Now we will move forward with this figure. Now see, what is this student? Where do you see? Yes, have you seen anywhere? Yes, it is a Japanese fan. Okay, in the same way here we can see a wheel. Okay, but I will tell you only one. Okay, in this way, just now we have seen, in the same way it forms what? Different angles. but I am going to tell only one here. So here it forms, it is less than 90 degree, so it is acute angle. Okay student, and we have seen the angles in the same way here also, it forms different angles. Okay student, now the last one. Yes student, where have you seen such kind of instrument? Have you ever been to a park? Yes, so in the park we see this one. This is known as seesaw. Here it also forms different kinds of or different types of angles. So let's see. See student, this angle, if we see this angle, it is definitely less than 90 degree. It is known as what? Acute angle. Okay student, again if we see this angle, so again it is less than 90 degree, so again it is acute angle. Okay student, okay, now again if we see this angle, it is also acute angle. Okay student, got it? Yes. Now if we see this angle, this one, okay, so it is more than 90 degree, and more than 90 degree, if it forms more than 90 degree angle, then it is obtuse angle. Okay, so this is our obtuse angle. Okay student, have you understood now? Okay, so here we have seen different types of angles we find in these figures. Okay student, have understood? Very good. Now we will study the further part of this chapter. Yes student, now what we are going to do? We are going to do the practice set number 2, which is given on the page number 8 student. Here the first question is match the following. Okay student, 2 columns are given. Here in the one column measure of angle is given, and second column types of angle is given. Okay student, so we have to match the pairs. Okay, and you will do it better because we have learned already all the types of angles. So student, here see now 180 degree. What is 180 degree? You know better. Okay student, because we have learned that it is more than 90 degree and less than 2. So we call it as a straight angle. Okay, what do we call it as? We call it as a straight angle. Okay student. Okay, next one, 260 degrees. It is more than 180 degrees. Okay, and less than 360 degrees. Yes, what do we call it as? If you know the answer, type your answer in the comment box student. Okay, try to answer. Okay, it is called as more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees is known as reflex angle. What do we call it as? Reflex angle. Now student, 360 degrees. What is 360 degrees? Here the angles complete the whole turn. Complete turn of angle we see. It completes the turn of angle. So it is called as a complete angle, perigon angle, or whole angle, or round angle. Okay student, so it is called as a perigon angle also. Okay, now 0 degree, the initial position of hands we have seen. In the initial position of the hands or the sticks we have seen that measures 0 degree angle. Okay, so it is called as 0 degree angle. Have you understood this much? How to match the pairs? Okay, you can observe the first video and you can answer all these questions better. Okay student, very good. Now we will move forward. Okay, let's learn the second question. Now students, we are going to study the second question. Okay, see the second question. The measures of some angles are given and we have to write the types of these angles. Okay, measures are given, we have to write the types of the angle. You can, if you studied the first video carefully, then you can able to answer. The first one is 75 degrees, and 75 degrees is less than 90 degrees. And if the angle measures less than 90 degrees, it is called as, or it is called acute angle. Okay student, it is called acute angle. Now the second one. Second here 0 degree. Okay student, we have learned this is the initial position. So we can easily tell it is 0 degree. It is known as, or it is called 0 degree. Okay, angle. Now see, third one, 215 degrees. 215 degrees means it is more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. That is called reflex angle. Okay student, reflex angle. The fourth one, 360 degrees. Okay student, it completes the turn of angle, so it is complete angle. Okay student. Now see the fifth one, 180 degrees. 180 degrees, you know students, 180 degree, it is a straight line. So it is called as straight angle. Straight angle. Okay. Now the sixth one, 120 degree. 120 degree means what, student? See, it is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. It means it is obtuse angle. Yes, next student, it is 148 degrees. 148 degrees means what? It is less than 180 degree and more than 90 degrees, like this. Okay, so it is called what? Obtuse angle again. Okay, and 90 degree, very easy, it is right angle. Okay, student, have you understood this much? Very good. Now we will move forward. We will learn the next question now. Yes, student. Now we will study the third question. Okay. See, in the third question, look at the figures and write the types of each of the angles. So figures are given. We have to write the names of these figures. Okay. Or we have to write the types of angles here. Okay, student. Type your answer in the comment box, student. Okay. Do not forget to type your answer. Okay. So here what do we see? It is less than 90 degree. This angle is less than 90 degree. So this angle is less than 90 degree. This is less than 90 degrees, student. And we know what do we call it as? Yes, we call it as acute angle. The B angle or B figure is what? 90 degree. And we know what do we call? It is 90 degree. So it is called as right angle. It is right angle. Now student, see this angle, it is more than 90 degree. It is more than 90 degree. It is more than what? 90 degrees. And the angle which forms more than 90 degree is called as what? Obtuse angle. Yes, student, do not forget to type your answer in the comment box. Okay. In the first video, I explained how to identify whether it is 0 degree angle or whether it is 180 degrees. Okay. If you see a middle center or mid center in the line or segment, okay, then we have to measure the angle from that center and you will see a arrowhead. Okay, in this way. Then it will be 180 degree. And 180 degree, what do we call? Yes, the 180 degree is called straight angle. Now E. So student, here at the end we see a point. Okay, at the end of the segment we see the point. So from here we will measure it. And if we measure from it, it will measure 0 degree. And 0 degree is called 0 angle. Okay. See here what do we see? A arrowhead which shows that it completes 1 turn. Okay. That completes 1 turn. Okay. It completes a turn. Complete 1 turn. It completes 1 rotation. When the angle completes 1 rotation is called complete angle, perigon angle or round angle. Okay student, have you understood? It is very easy. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, 0 angle and complete angle. Okay student, have you understood? Very good. Now student, we will learn the next question. Okay. Students, now we are going to study about the compass box. Yes, each of you may have a compass box and in compass box we have various instruments. For example, a scale you have, you know better scale. Why do we use scale? We have protractor. You also know why do we use protractor, as well as you know the compass. Okay, this is called compass. This is called protractor. This is called scale. Okay student, one by one I will tell you in short the use of it. Yes student, with the help of this compass, what we do, with the help of this compass we learn to draw a circle. Okay student, from childhood we learn how to draw a circle with the help of this compass. Okay student, have you understood this much? Okay, how? Yes, let me show you. Okay student, in this way we can draw circle and we have learned with the help of the compass we can draw a circle. As well as with the help of compass box, we can draw arcs. Okay, arcs. If you want to draw arcs, we can draw with the help of the compass. For example, see, I will show you how to draw arcs. And why do we draw arcs? For getting a point or to cut the line. Okay, student? See, for example, see. If I want to get the point. Okay, so here you can see a point is formed. Okay, and if you want to cut the line, again we can use this one to draw a arc. For example, from here. Okay, student, have you understood the use of the compass? Yes, student, you better know scale. Okay, why do we use scale? We use the scale to measure, or to measure the length, we use the scale. Okay, student, and protractor. Why do we use protractor? To measure angles, we do use protractors. Okay, students, such kind of protractors can be used to measure angles. Okay, very good. Now student, these things we have already learned in the previous class, in the 4th and 5th class. Now we are going to learn about the new instruments, okay, that are always available in the compass box. These are the things. Do you know about these things? Okay, if you know, type your answer in the comment box. Okay, student, very good. Students, these two instruments are called set squares. What do we call? Set squares. Squares, okay. Actually, these are not squares, triangular. It has triangular form, but it is known as set squares. Okay, student, what is the use of the set squares? Okay, student, most of the times we draw angles. Most of the times we draw geometrical figures, angles, 90-degree angles, 38-degree angle, 60-degree angle, 40-degree angle. Okay, but easily with this angle we can draw that angle without use of a scale and the compass. Okay, student, how? Let me tell you. See, student, this is a one set square. Okay, yes, can you see, student? So this is a set square. Okay, student, so this angle is 90-degree. Okay, if you want to draw a figure of 90-degree, or if you want to draw an angle which forms 90-degree, so directly you draw like this. Okay, student? Okay, very good. If you want to draw 45-degree angle, then directly you can draw angle from here. Okay, by using this angle. Okay, if you draw the outline, then it will make a 45-degree angle, and this also forms a 45-degree angle. Okay, student, for example, see. Okay, student, this is 90-degree, this is 45-degree, and this is also 45-degree. Okay, student, got it? Now have you learned about this set square? Okay, very good. Now the next one. Now I will tell about this set square. Okay, student. Okay, student, so this is 90-degree, this is 60-degree, and this is 30-degree. Okay, student, have you understood about this set squares now? Very good. One more last instrument of the compass. Okay, see, student, yes, what do we call it as? Yes, do you know? If you know the answer, type your answer in the comment box. Okay, this is called as what? Divider. Yes, why do we use divider? Yes, divider can be used to measure the length. If I want to measure an accurate length, okay, then I can use this divider. For example, like this. Okay, I can put the 2 points, okay, sharp points in this way, and I can measure it, and then I will use the scale. Okay, then I can measure the length, accurate measure. Okay, so this is 6.6 centimeter. So this is 6.6 centimeter. In this way, to measure the length of a segment, we can use a divider. Okay, so we can measure it accurately. Okay, student, have you understood about the instrument in the compass box? Very good. Now we will move forward. Yes, student, have you understood this much? Very good. So today what we have studied? We have studied figures on the page number 8, as well as we have done the practice set number 2. Okay, student, in the next video we are going to study about an angle bisector. Okay student, the next video going to be very important. Okay student, so to watch the video, be connected with it. Students, if you have liked this video and if you have found it useful to you, then do not forget to share it to your friends. Comment below the video, like it and subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will get current notification of new educational videos. Thank you. Be connected.